Hello, this is my first attempt doing a weekly vlog. I realized this week was a bit boring, but that didn't stop me from recording some beautiful clips of Groningen. Please enjoy! Oh my goodness, after I think like 3 weeks, right? We got it. Airball? Put your ball in. Thank you. So right now we're making mushrooms, and like, look how big this shit is. It's literally like the size of my hand. Anyways, let me play some music while I cut these mushrooms. Well, this was not really pretty, but first time making mashed potatoes was a success. I made sauteed mushrooms, and boom! This is the final with everything. Literally, the weather was beautiful and sunny, and now it's raining. I love it here. So this was Praxis, which is basically Home Depot for my Americans. This side of the store was basically a botanical garden, and if you watch my Amsterdam video, you know exactly why I put this clip in. This is the closest to a botanical garden. We're literally at Praxis. But look. Whee! And it's so bright, which is like honestly the most sun you can get in the Netherlands right now. But we're in a greenhouse. The sun's finally up this week. It's so pretty. And honestly, it's gonna last for a few hours. And at that moment, I was lying. It literally rained on me tsunami for the rest of the day. This is my first time going to the gym around 10:30. And is it 10? Wait, what time is it? Oh, I lied. I got here at 10-ish. And it is the worst timing ever. Everything was so crowded. But yeah, let me show you the views. Anyways, we got Oli Bolin, which was delicious, and here's my boyfriend Aunt. I love her so much. So, you know, Mario Kart new courses came out, so we definitely had to play even though it was past midnight, and I kept losing, but that's okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at my car. Happy Saturday. The most realistic day of this vlog. But it's pouring rain, but I'm heading to the gym just to build a routine, but totally views. Alright, I'll see y'all soon. So literally after the gym, I'm just gonna drink some protein shake, and then you know you're getting older when you're looking at grocery deals. But yeah. For my folks who aren't in the Netherlands, please enjoy the last few seconds of this video. The rain. Welcome to a typical day in the Netherlands. actually really cold today too.